Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to delve into changing the background color of your design in Canva, transforming the look and feel of your template with just a few taps. Let's begin with our design already open and poised for a touch of personalization. Fancy a different backdrop for your creation? It's simpler than you might think. Simply click directly on the background of your template. Notice the toolbar that appears above. Click on Background Color. You'll see a delightful little rainbow tab appear. Here, you have two choices. Use the color slider for a world of shades, or if you have a specific hue in mind, type in the hex code. It's all about finding that perfect color to suit your mood or theme. Now, if you're looking to add a bit more flair, Canva's got you covered with an extensive library of textures and images. Curious about how to do this? Simply head over to the Elements tab. Suppose you're in the mood for a watercolor vibe. Type watercolor texture into the search bar, then navigate to Photos. You'll be greeted with a variety of options. Choose your favorite, click it to insert it into your design, right-click the image, and select Replace Background Image, and watch as it snaps into place, instantly transforming your background. Please note that button will save it as background image if you don't already have a background in place. Got your texture but it feels a bit too pronounced? No worries. Click on your newly added background and look for the opacity option in the top right corner. A handy slider lets you adjust the intensity, allowing you to dial it down a bit or crank it up depending on your vision. Changed your mind? Want to start over or try something different? It's as easy as a click and a press on the delete key. Your background is back to square one, ready for whatever creative ideas you have next. Or you've changed it too much and you liked what you did earlier. Just click the undo button up here. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to changing your background in Canva, making your design distinctively yours. Remember, a background can set the tone for your entire design, so have fun experimenting with colors and textures. Thanks for joining me, and I'm eager to see what you create.